3.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Fun in the South. I'm Paul, and this is my wife, Jill. And for today's adventure, we're revisiting Dollywood's re-grand opening, I guess you'd call it. And, you know, they made some changes, and I think they're for the better, especially based on what's happening nowadays. And we wanted to take you there and kind of show you what to expect if you go to Dollywood and just how awesome the Flower and Food Festival is. So we're inviting you to join us on this awesome adventure as we go to Dollywood. Come on, let's go.
I found out long ago it's a long way down the holiday road. Holiday road. Holiday road. Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. Take a ride on the West Coast.
I don't know why you're so excited.
I don't either.
We've been going there for 24 years.
I know. I don't
Not
know.
like it's the first time.
I know. I feel like I want to go there. I'm excited to go there. But I am, but I'm not. You know, I'm excited to go there because it's open. It's something I like to do, but I'm also a little apprehensive because of I don't know what's gonna happen. You know, because they changed all this stuff and everything. But
I am wonderful. How are you?
Good. Doing real good.
What can I get you?
I'm gonna get, hold on.
what do you want?
I don't even know what the rest is. It's a lunch menu. Is it lunchtime?
You guys serving, them breakfast burritos?
We have temporarily suspended.
It was like 8:45 in the morning.
Yep, sad all day.
Well, all right then. Hold on just a second. Let me see what I want to get.
What are you getting?
We have to get lunch stuff? I don't want anything.
You're not getting nothing?
Nope.
Let me get, oh hell. Let me get one of them burrito supremes right there. You know the ones I'm talking about?
You want a burrito supreme?
Yeah, that don't have none of that guacamole on it, does it?
No, it doesn't.
All right, yeah, that'll be fine right there. Just one of them. You want something? I guess that's gonna do her right there.
Sauce?
No, never. No, I don't like it.
All right, 412 at the second window.
All right, thank you.
What I owe you?
412.
I remember when you could buy a burrito for $1. You know it?
That'd be nice.
Yeah, it would. We'd all be a lot fatter.
Tickled her funny bone.
Yeah, probably.
Here you are. You just keep the change. Enjoy it.
Yay.
Buy yourself something nice.
I'll try.
Well, that 74 cents will come in handy. Never.
All right, 1 minute.
Okay. Look at that. Thank
Have
you.
a good day.
You have a good day too. Oh, I had to fuel up before we hit Dollywood. You know, because you know,
I know. Because the minute we step foot in there, you're starving.
I'm always hungry. So here we go. We had our reservations set. We read the COVID sign. We're ready to enter.
Good.
How are you?
You guys have reservations today?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Have a great day and enjoy, guys. Thank you.
Hey, is Dolly here today?
No, we don't know. We don't think she's going to be here this season. We're not sure.
Anyone famous?
No,
Anything free?
not that we know. But I like how you don't know if you don't ask.
Right.
I'll
That's
give you
what
an
I
A for
figured.
effort.
Thank you.
Okay, so this is the temperature checking stations. They're all through Dollywood. All the tram stops, all the entrances.
Oh, this ought to be good with the glasses today,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, Jill's gone
They like
full
to fog
surgical. I've gone bandito. Click.
And you're good.
Good job. What?
That was good.
Thank you, sir. There you go. Now you get your health band.
All right, thank you.
And you're in.
You too.
Yeah, they did an awesome job here.
Yeah,
Hey,
I
look
love
at
the
that.
music.
That's kind of cool. Yeah.
I liked how we were like some of the first ones there too.
Yeah, they opened at 10. We were here at like 9 something. Those umbrellas are awesome. They're like a sun sale of umbrellas. Really, really cool.
You want to go in and
Super
get a
cool.
snack?
It was just nice to get back here, you know, to be able to go and enjoy it. There wasn't very many people here today at all.
No, there was a lot of social distancing.
Yeah. Oh, they smell.
It actually smells really good.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know if they're going to keep the capacities like this, but the line here, I thought, what the heck are the people waiting for? Because they weren't even open yet, you know? But if
What's that ride called?
this is Lightning
Lightning
Rod.
Rod.
Yeah, Lightning Rod. We need to ride that next time. We didn't ride that this time.
That one is so fun, but
It's so fast.
I feel like you're gonna fly right out
Look,
of
if you look on this roller coaster, there's only one dude on it. He's testing it out.
We should have rode it.
Yeah, we will next
We
time.
chickened out.
Yeah. Flower and fish. This was really cool. I guess the whole park was decorated, but they have certain sections that are really, really like hardcore decorated, and this was one of them. That was so cool.
Yep, that's like a big bush.
Yeah, it is. Mm-hmm. We like big bushes.
We do.
I don't
I
know.
cannot lie.
No, that was cool.
That's actually really
I
cool.
don't know.
Jill, did you see the bear? Look right here. He's sticking his head through the tree.
Yeah,
Yeah, I,
like
think
that.
I stood there and stared at it for like 20 minutes.
Yeah, the frog was cool. This guy was cool. There was a turtle over there too. You see it in the background.
Yep.
It was just the atmosphere there. It was just really up, you know, or like really, you know, and everyone was really doing their part, you know, to make sure it stayed safe as far as like keeping their distance, the mask, the hand sanitizer they give you before you ride stuff, you know, like all that stuff. It was really great. It was a good time. It was an excellent time.
I mean, if you could OD on hand sanitizer, we definitely did.
Yeah.
The Kingdom Ears.
Nice burp. Okay, this ride, I like this ride. I don't ride this ride very often, but it is a fun ride. This is Wild Eagle. And
I do. And I mean, don't mind the crazy lady that was sitting next to us screaming the whole time.
that was you. Yeah, listen to Jill during this ride. She says, I don't know if I really like roller coasters. You listen to this and tell me if you don't think she really likes
I
this.
like roller coasters.
I thought you said you didn't like this one.
I like roller coasters.
Well, okay then.
This is the part that gives me anxiety.
But as
Yeah,
I
I'm
get
not a big
older, it's,
I'm not a big fan.
I don't know, I get that knot in my stomach. But when it's all over, I want to do it again.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah, this ride is really, really good.
A big drop. Keep in mind, she's not really liking it.
I didn't think anybody could hear me. That was for my own enjoyment.
Yeah.
Well, that's embarrassing.
That's awesome.
What are you gonna do with it?
Oh, the general store. We always stop at this general store. We go in and get candy.
Move the candy to the other side.
Yeah, it's kind of a tradition.
Yeah. They moved everything around though. Everything's kind of weird because it's not where it usually is, and you have to space out like distance-wise and you know stuff like that. So it's different, but
Yeah, but just a little different.
I love the dots. The dots are the best. Aunt Granny's. I have mixed feelings about this place. This used to be, before all this happened, a like all-you-can-eat place, and now it's
This is your menu.
$20 a person.
And you get to choose 2.
Okay. Fried chicken.
Gosh, I remember when it was like $12.99 to eat there.
Yeah.
Maple. Okay.
Now, to be fair,
How are
it
you
is
today?
still all you can eat, but it's different. They bring it to your table, so you can ask for more stuff and they'll bring it. Robert, yeah, he was our server. He's a really nice guy. I mean, the food was okay. I thought it was really salty, though. It was really salty.
It was really salty, and I don't think it was homemade.
No.
I mean, for me, I don't think it was worth the money, but
No. But I mean, when you're at Dollywood, you're kind of like, all right, we're at Dollywood, let's go for it. So they bring out the things and you just kind of serve out of those dishes onto the plates. So,
we definitely didn't leave hungry.
no.
That's for sure.
The news was all over this place when we were there on the grand opening, and they just so happened to be right next to our table while we were eating, so we figured, well, we'll film it. So we filmed it.
And there was a downpour
Big
that came
downpour.
through.
Yeah. Huge. This was so cool.
That is awesome.
I guess that's Dolly's mom sewing the coat of many colors.
She has so many.
And once it started raining, people just were leaving, which was great for us because we just kind of sat around and waited it out. And once it was over, the park was even less full. I don't know what kind of capacity they had this day, but there wasn't many there to begin with. So after it cleaned out, it was time to hit the rides because we could, you know, it was great. Daredevil Falls. This is a fun ride.
Then we should make a reservation, come back next week. When are they planning on coming? July?
So are we going to go back? We should go back soon.
We should go back.
Yeah.
Damn, get up.
Joe, you remember when we were young and we fit in this?
We definitely had to pack in that seat.
Yeah, we were packed. We were really packed.
We did it though.
Yeah. Oh, also I'm going to put a link in the description of this video to all these rides in their entirety. That way you can check them out if you want to. There we go.
Again, the lady behind us, she's screaming.
Yeah, the lady behind us.
That wasn't very fun. Now get yours.
Yeah, the wet butt. Wet butts. Coming at you. That is a fun
Jill, you want
ride.
to ride the bears?
Oh my gosh.
Heck yes, I do. And if you notice, everybody's wearing a mask. I mean, nobody had any problems with it.
I feel like a true
At
bandito.
least that I heard.
Got the mask on. Got my bear named, not Trigger. Woo! Yeah.
It's a smooth ride, huh?
No, this is almost like a mechanical enema. Really a very unique feeling when you're riding this. If you're gonna ride this, you might want to skip Taco Bell or any kind of super big fibrous food before you ride it, because it will activate your bowels and you could have a problem.
Mechanical animal?
Yeah, well, it's like a pump or something. I don't know. I mean, every time we go here, I look at these.
Pretty sure this is a kiddie ride, Paul.
Yeah.
We
It's
have
not
one
just for
more
kids
stop
anymore.
to make before we take off, and that is the bakery right here. We pick up a little treat for the road.
Toot toot. This place smells so good when you go in it.
Those cinnamon rolls.
Yeah. Those are huge too. Remember we got those one time? Those are good.
What you got? Whoa!
It's a cupcake.
You gonna eat that right now?
Ooh, it's soft.
Let's go find you a spot so you can eat it.
Definitely had a sugar buzz.
Okay. I've had a lot of fun here at Dollywood today. A little tired from walking around. And I think they've done a really good job here of keeping everything safe. Making it look nice for the Flower and Food Festival.
Yeah.
It's good. I just wish some of the shops were open that aren't. You know, we had our heart set on this. What was it, like a watermelon smoothie drink thing?
Yeah.
But we'll come back. It'll be good.
We'll come back. We got season passes.
We got season
come back
passes. We'll be here many
any
times,
day.
all the time. In fact, I might just move into Dolly's bus over here. Do you want to move in with me?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
There you go. Well, so I mean, all in all, I felt like Dollywood did an awesome job, like making it safe and a good time for everybody. I mean, I don't think there's really anything they could have done. Before you get on any rides, they put the hand sanitizer on every single person. What's going on there?
Anyway, continue.
Yeah, no, I was just saying, you know, and then the social distancing, they did a good job. Everyone there was wearing the mask, and they checked the temperatures and all that stuff. Again, though, the capacity when we went was pretty low, so I don't know what it would look like if the place was packed out. And I don't even know if they'll let that many people in there to pack it out. So, but anyways, our experience there was great. It was super fun. The Flower and Food Festival is a really super awesome time, and we're going to be going back to Dollywood real soon because we are season pass holders. We're not afraid to go constantly. So, there you go. That's it for this adventure on Fun in the South. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, have a good night.